What if I told you that right now, there are AI tools quietly making people thousands of dollars while they sleep? No coding, no team, no investors, just a few smart people who realized how to use the right tools at the right time. The crazy part? Most of these tools are completely free. Today, I'll show you how AI is changing the game of money. Not in the distant future, right now. Let's dive into the AI tools that can actually make you rich. The first one is the easiest to start with: ChatGPT and GPT-based automation. You've seen people use it for essays, but the ones getting paid are using it for copywriting, ad campaigns, and content production. Small business owners are literally paying freelancers to use ChatGPT to write product descriptions, social media posts, and emails. One person on Reddit admitted they're making over $5,000 a month doing nothing but generating copy for e-commerce stores. All they did was create templates and sell content packages. That's it. You don't even need clients. You can turn those outputs into a blog, monetize with ads, and watch passive income grow. Next up is Midjourney and Leonardo AI. If you're creative, these are your gold mines. People are selling AI-generated art as digital prints, t-shirt designs, and album covers on Etsy, Redbubble, and Fiverr. Midjourney costs less than dinner for two, and you can turn it into a print-on-demand business that runs itself. You describe what you want, the AI generates it, and you upload. No drawing skills, no inventory, no risk. If you've ever dreamed of starting a clothing or poster brand, this is the cheapest way in history to do it. Number 3. Synthesia and Pictory. These tools generate full videos automatically. Businesses are paying for product explainers, YouTube channels are automating entire content libraries, and marketing agencies are using AI videos to scale. Imagine uploading 10 new videos a day without filming anything. That's what's happening. One guy made a faceless channel reviewing AI tools. Everything made by AI, from the script to the voiceover, and it blew up past 100,000 subscribers in 2 months. Each video keeps earning ad revenue even while he sleeps. Number 4. Soundful and Beethoven. If you like music, these tools are insane. They generate full original tracks in seconds. People are uploading them to royalty-free music sites and collecting passive income from every download and license. Others use them to make TikTok jingles, podcast intros, and YouTube background tracks. Music used to take a studio, instruments, and time. Now it takes 5 minutes and imagination. Number 5. Copy.ai and Jasper. Think of them as automated marketing agencies. They can write entire email campaigns, sales pages, and social media strategies. Businesses will pay huge amounts for that because words sell. If you understand how to feed the right prompts, you can generate content that converts, and charge for it. It's like having an army of copywriters working for you, but you keep all the profit. Number 6. Durable.co. This one's wild. It creates entire business websites automatically. You type what you want to build: coffee shop, photography service, AI agency, and it designs a complete site with text, images, and layout in under a minute. People are literally using it to start agencies that sell websites built by AI. You can make one for a client in minutes and charge hundreds. Some users are even pairing Durable with ChatGPT and Canva to create full brand packages in a day. Number 7. OpusClip. If you've ever wanted to run a social media page or edit videos, this is the easiest tool for fast growth. OpusClip takes long videos and automatically cuts them into short viral clips. It finds the best parts, adds subtitles, and formats everything for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Creators and agencies are using it to pump out content non-stop. More content means more reach, more followers, more income. Number 8. PromptBase. Here's where it gets interesting. You can literally sell the prompts you use in AI tools. People buy pre-tested prompts for image generation, writing, marketing, and coding. It's the new version of selling templates. If you're good at crafting effective prompts, you can list them for a few dollars each, and with thousands of buyers, that adds up fast. Number 9. Tome and Gamma. These tools create full business presentations or pitch decks automatically. Entrepreneurs are using them to attract investors, pitch startups, and build client proposals in record time. Instead of spending hours designing slides, they type a short idea, hit generate, and have a professional deck ready. Consultants and freelancers are charging for this service already. And number 10. AI trading and analytics bots. Platforms like Numerai and Trade Ideas use AI to scan markets and predict patterns humans miss. They're not magic, but they remove a lot of the guesswork. Some traders are combining these tools with their own strategies and getting massive returns. As always, trading has risk, but when you combine AI speed with human intuition, you get an edge no one had before. The truth is, there's no get-rich-quick trick here. AI doesn't make you money by itself, it multiplies what you can do. It makes the boring parts fast, the hard parts easy, and the impossible parts possible. The people winning right now aren't smarter, they're just using AI sooner. They treat these tools like employees, fast, cheap, and scalable. The ones who ignore them will spend years catching up. We're in the middle of the biggest opportunity since the invention of the internet. Every tool you just heard about can be learned in a single weekend. The only real difference between you and the people making money with them is that they started. So don't just watch this video and move on. Pick one tool. Try it today. Turn one idea into something real. Because if you don't, someone else already is. And when you see them winning 6 months from now, you'll realize that AI didn't take your job, it took your chance. If you liked this video, hit subscribe. Because next time, we're not just talking about AI that can make money. We're going to explore AI that can think about money, investment bots, predictive agents, and automation so advanced, it's almost alive. The future of wealth isn't human versus AI. It's human with AI. And it's already here.